Hi there. In this tutorial, we'll install Appium server on Windows machine. Appium server is the core component of Appium automation framework. So, Appium server is Node.js based web server. So, to install Appium, you need to have Node.js installed on your machine. So to check if you have Node.js already installed on the machine, uh, open command prompt and issue the following command. This command should print the Node.js version onto the computer screen. So if you can see the version number output, then Node.js is installed on the machine. So to install Appium server, issue the following command: npm install Appium. Appium is the node package manager, which is used to install and manage node.js packages or modules. This command will install Appium server on your machine. On the other hand, if you want to install Appium server globally, you can issue the following command: npm install with -g flag Appium. This will install the Appium server globally. So to start the Appium server, issue the following command: Appium. This will start the server on your machine. So by default, it will listen to the test commands on 4723 port number. So that's it. You have successfully installed Appium server on your Windows machine.